Hello everyone, we're live with banana, alkaline, smoothie. This is going to be a short video how to make smoothie without any stupid powder or gross artificial ingredients. So these are baby bananas, which are natural, and this is what they look like when they're ripe. This is what they look like before they're ripe. These are not there quite yet. Okay, so how to prepare these because they're weird to open. I just cut off the top and bottoms, and then I cut down to make it easy, and I peel it like this. So fruit is originally small. You should always choose the smaller version because giant fruit has been genetically engineered, so these have more nutrients in them. I'm just going to have a portable little blender. I've got some coconut cream. It's just 100% coconut cream. This one doesn't have a good opening, so you have to cut it open and shake it. It's annoying. That's all, no stupid ingredients. And then I'm just gonna put tiny bit of hemp seeds because I don't want too many in there, making it taste weird. Did I forget anything? What would you add in this? Comment below. What would have you added? Ready? I think this blender will fry if I blend it too long. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. Alright, that's probably fine, right? Looks pretty well blended. So if you missed it, I just made this out of these little mini baby bananas, coconut cream, 100%, and coconut water, 100% coconut water, and agave. Oh, and I put a little bit of, did put a little bit of hemp hearts, but not too much. That's it. Oh yeah, nailed it. And it tastes amazing, so that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Show some thumbs up. If you want any recipes, suggestions, comment below, and I will make something that you suggest. Try the recipe out, and if you want more recipes like this, join the other group, the Bioelectric Challenge, and there's a ton of recipes already posted in there. See you in the other group.